and thanks for joining me for this month's DIY program. This month we are doing paper spring flowers. So first I'll show you what you're going to get in your supplies bag, and then I'll show you how to make them. So included in your bag are going to be 3 green straws, a little roll of green tape, and a couple of colors of tissue paper. And you're going to have to supply a pair of scissors to do the craft. So let me show you how it's done. So for our flower parts, we're going to take one of the long strips of paper and we're going to fold it in half lengthwise. And it's okay if it's crinkly. In fact, it'll make it a little bit more interesting visually. So if you want, you can crinkle it first or not. And then along the folded side, we're going to make cuts. Maybe 1/4 inch all the way down. And we're going to make sure we leave this part intact. Okay, so now we see this little frilly. We are going to take some of our tape. We're going to cut about an inch and a half. We are going to tape an end of our hyacinth to our straw. So on the uncut part, stick the tape, and we're going to stick it to the top of our flower, the very top. And go around. And we're going to slowly roll it down. Keeping it all relatively up. So you've rolled it down and fluff it out to make it look how you want it to look. Maybe adjust some areas. And then we're going to use more of that green tape. Just a little bit. Secure the ends to the straw. And you can add more tape to finish it, or you can use the green that you're going to be provided to add a couple of leaves. Yep, I like how that looks. So I'm going to add more tape to the bottom. Okay. Twist that around. And there you go. You have your little spring flower. So you should have enough to make 3 of these. And then you can put it in a little vase for some spring color in your house.